Yeah, Oreo's been freaking out about the llama as I rolled up. Hey, why don't you shush in there? There's the birthday girl.
What is that?
It's a birthday llama.
It's a llama.
Have it.
Is it a no drama llama?
It's a birthday llama.
I like it.
Yeah, and huevos rancheros.
Huevos rancheros.
Yes. And there's a coffee, a dirty chai for you somewhere.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me go grab that. Happy birthday.
Thank you, baby.
It's a good way to start the day. Okay, so it's RV repair day, at least RV diagnostic day. As we showed you, we did have quite a few battery issues where we were literally having to jump the RV battery off of the truck battery for the last 7 days since Beyond Wonderland Festival up in Washington. But now that we're finally stationary here in Oregon, we're here at PNW Auto Works. Shout out to Jeremy, who's one of the co-owners. He just took a look at everything. Essentially, our battery draw is not good because our converter is bad. I'm not an electrician, but that seems to make sense to me. We're basically gonna order the part, take the RV back home, and then once they finally get the part through the warranty, we'll come back and get everything replaced. Now, we could do this ourselves. We could go to Camping World and buy a converter for $400 and put it in there, but warranty wouldn't cover that. What's the point of the warranty? So we're gonna get a couple of other things checked out. We've got that axle thing. He just talked to us and said, I don't know, you got close to 15,000 miles out of the last set of tires, which was excessive, we know that, but it took that much time for the wear because of the axle to happen. So he was like, honestly, the axle's probably gonna cost you more money than your next set of tires. So we're gonna let that stay for right now. Just keep a really close eye on the tires. Gonna try and get our pantry door fixed, which has been ripping up our floor for over a year now. So a lot of things to get done. Shout out to PNW Auto Works. We're just glad to be stationary and have an opportunity to get it all done. So we'll see what happens. I'm sure this is exactly what you wanted to be doing on her birthday. But hey, happy birthday to you. You get a brand new converter from your warranty company.
That's what I asked for.
That's right. Wow. Warranty companies, what a pain in the butt. It took a 20-minute phone call just to approve something that definitely needed to be fixed. But they wanted to know PNW Auto Works is like date of birth, like where they were born. It's kind of a ridiculous process, but it is completely paid for. Again, we could have had this fixed a week ago, but it would have cost us $400 and maybe a couple of tears.
Instead, we have a $100 deductible.
Yes, not bad. Big shout out to Jeremy at PNW Auto Works, co-owner. Again, he's in there installing this thing. We appreciate his time. So go hit him up if you're in the Salem area.
Normally they don't cover diagnosis.
Yeah, I could have sworn when I looked at the paperwork too, it said that they didn't.
I never read it. The guy was like, asked me a million questions, but it was pretty nice.
Yeah.
13.6.
Yes.
Is that success?
Yeah, so if you unplug it, you're at 12.4, 12.5 or whatever. So 13.68 is definitely charging voltage.
Awesome.
Okay, we got it fixed. Shout out to Jeremy, who killed it. In celebration of Victoria's birthday, we're gonna do the two things that I know she loves the most: drinking and stuffing face. We are in the Willamette. I thought it was pronounced Willamette. So I worked in many fine dining restaurants, so a lot of you wine reps out there, you might want to get your stuff together, because y'all were giving me the info and it was incorrect because everyone around here says
Willamette.
Willamette. Obviously, we're in wine country here in Oregon, so we're gonna kind of bounce around and do a couple of tastings and see what kind of trouble we can get into. First stop is Christum Vineyards. nice in here. Are we underdressed? You're not. You look amazing.
Thank you.
It's this guy.
You look great, baby. I think we need to own a vineyard. They seem to have some good money up here. Look at the legs on that.
You don't even know what that means.
I don't know.
I know we kind of keep saying this, but man, this weather is so perfect.
It is great.
Arizona, I don't miss you right now. I mean,
Just not during this particular season.
Bjornson. You think I got that right?
Close enough.
Okay. Shout out to Alexis, who was our server / wine expert. And
She was excellent.
nailed it. She sat down and hung out with us, and she was awesome. But can't recommend this area enough. Okay, so Victoria had a thing with celebrating her birthday at Red Robin as a child.
Sometimes the girl has to go back to her beginnings and needs a bonsai burger.
And some spiked freckled lemonade. So here we are. Yum. All right, success. She got her spiked freckled lemonade and that bonsai burger. Well, Victoria got a 1 day after her birthday present, which is a replacement board from Blackfin.
Yay!
You want to tell them the situation?
Yes, absolutely. My previous board unfortunately started peeling up over here on the deck. So I sent them a picture. Thomas's, we got at the same time. It's been stored the same way. Everything is not peeling like this. So I sent them a comparison picture and they sent me a replacement.
A brand new board.
Brand new one. Didn't
Full
even ask
free.
for this one back. This bag can be worn like a backpack.
Rolled like luggage.
Rolled. My preferred method.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I like that color a lot.
Oh, it's very pretty.
We're like pirates taking over the cove.
Yeah.
Look how pretty it is here.
Who drank all the rum?
Jeez. Good job, Whiskey. She really did not want to jump off that board, but she was like, I'm out. Ooh, yeah.
We're fine,
We're back here at our home base close to Salem. We're actually technically staying in Albany during Victoria's travel nursing contract.
Yeah, and funny enough, Albany is the home of the Linn County Fair, which is going on right now. We passed it on the way home. We're like, what is going on over there?
Yeah, and it's right across the street. So we're gonna ride the bikes over there and check it out. Well, riding our bikes over here saved us $5 for parking.
Yes, it did. And time.
It took less than a minute.
Yep.
There is a lot going on here right now.
A lot.
So we gotta go check this out. And it turns out an early 2000s band that we both know, who is it? Five for Fighting?
Yeah, we've heard of them at least.
Is playing at the Linn County Fair. So I don't know, maybe we'll stick around for that.
Sure.
Oh, well. We've been here a total of 10 minutes and Victoria has purchased 2 things already.
That is a nice workout.
Happy Fair Day.
What do you want?
I don't know. What do you want?
A lot of choices. That place is the worst. I love it.
But it was 1999. Prince Wishy wrote this song. But it all started here. And here we are still. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Not gonna lie, this is actually a pretty legit fair. Linn County does not play around.
I'm not very good at it.
No, you're gonna kill it. Nice. That's 2.
2 for 2.
2 for 2.
No.
That's all right.
Woo! Good job. You can't let me beat you. Oh no!
Why does this happen every time this camera's on?
That I win stuff?
Well, Victoria won a pineapple slough.
Yay!
You got some fierce competition here. Take no prisoners. She's about to lose to these little kids. Laser focus.
I got it right off. I think there's something wrong with it.
Oh, there's something wrong with the gun? Oh, okay, gotcha. Hey, I'd just like to point out that I had knocked over all 6 of those cans, but flipped one like completely upside down on its other end, and that didn't count as a win.
The injustice of it all.
I'm a little upset. But I would have given the prize to a little kid anyways. There's no more stuffed animals coming home with us. All right, Victoria, these are our last 6 tickets. You got this. Oh. Wait, you want me to throw one?
Sure, you go ahead.
Come in for relief?
Woo, you got one.
Clear one. Oh, so close.